Hello and welcome to the final module of your RLA Distance Learning course. Congratulations, you've made it. We are going to take the final step to make sure that you are GED ready. Remember, the tests are $36.25 a piece. If you've made it to this point, we will pay for half of your test, so it'll be around $18 for the test, but we don't want you paying $18 taking the test if we're not absolutely sure that you're ready. Because also if you need to retake the test, there are only a certain number of times you can retake the test. So we want to make sure, I lied, you can take the test however many times you need to, but after the third time, if you do not pass taking the test, then there's a waiting period. So we don't want you to get caught in having to wait to retake the test. So we want to make sure now that you are ready to go. So we are going to make sure that you are GED ready. So our tasks here, watch this video, and then you will take an official GED Ready practice test by going to GED.com. If you haven't already, create a free account, and then you will enter the free practice test voucher that I provide to you. Normally, these GED Ready practice tests are $6 on their website, but if you've made it to this point, you've proven yourself, and the Literacy Council of Tyler is covering the cost of the practice test. So, we are taking care of that. It'll be a coupon code that you enter. Very important, when creating your GED.com account, at some point they will ask you your GED Test Prep Center. Make sure that you choose or enter Literacy Council of Tyler as your GED Test Prep Center. This will allow me to have access to your scores and information, and sometimes I'm able to get your scores maybe a little bit sooner than you are. Finally, you'll enter your GED practice test score as an assignment here on Canvas, like you have with your post tests. So let's take a look at GED.com. If you don't have an account already, sign up. This is where you will register to schedule your tests. So you need an account. Remember, when you're signing up, choose Literacy Council of Tyler as your GED Test Prep Center. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Okay, so once you are into your account, GED.com account, this is what it will look like. So I want to take a GED Ready practice test. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come up here to Study. There are all sorts of things on here you can do to study, but what we want to do is practice questions and the GED Ready practice test. Okay, so this is where it is $6, but you will need to come here where it says have a voucher code, redeem now. Choose Language Arts as your subject. You can take the test in English or Spanish. If you take it in Spanish, there's no note on the GED that it was in Spanish. So basically, if you take it in Spanish, your GED will look exactly the same as if you took it in English. So that's up to you. Okay, and this, you go ahead and go to Proceed to Checkout. These are the requirements you will need from your computer. You can take this on your computer at home, or you can go to the computer lab on the West Campus. If you need access to a computer, it's best to do it on a computer, not on a tablet or a phone. Gotta have a computer. So this is where you'll enter your voucher promotion code, and then hit next, and it will get you set up for your practice test. Once you complete that practice test, once you get your score, come to the score report assignment, and you'll hit submit assignment and submit your score for that practice test. So I'm very excited for you. I can't wait for you to pass the RLA GED test.